Damn, girl. Remember those days? Love was nothing but we all had. That's right. Singing though. I like your body, baby, let me tell you something. So damn sexy, won't you give me some? The way you move make me feel like so numb. So numb, so numb. You're my sexy girl, 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 my sexy girl. Girl, I remember those days. Me and you, baby, it was all the same. Loving you was the best thing that happened to me. Oh, baby girl, I wish it made me love you with the sheets. Damn, what I would do to bring it back. Baby girl, me and you, that was all the past. But what happened to this freaking love? We were thicker than thin and long above. Damn, girl, you left me, it was all a shame. You left me, now I feel nothing but pain. Baby girl, you know what, it wasn't nothing but a fucking dream. Now I think about it all back. Give it to you, baby girl, that's all I ever did. Make love with you in between the fucking sheets. Damn girl, where the fuck did I go wrong? What I can do, baby, to bring it all back. I like your body, baby, let me tell you something. So damn sexy, won't you give me some? You're my sexy girl, make me feel like so numb. You're my whole fucking world. So numb. You're my sexy girl. You're my sexy girl. You're my sexy girl. You're my sexy girl. You're my whole world. You're my sexy girl. You're my sexy girl. My sexy girl. You're my sexy girl. You're my whole world. You're the only one that will put that key in my heart. You're the sexy girl. You the sexy girl in my own fucking world. You can talk all the shit, you can tell me everything. You know that I keep it 100, it's real. I ain't fake like these other pussy niggas tryna fuck with your life. I keep it real, I'm always on the fucking ride. I'm in the booth with my brother Rooster. Twisted barrel ENT straight out the east. Damn, little mama looking good, looking hella fine from the sideline. I'm always on the run. She's my sexy girl, she's my whole world. She's my sexy girl, she's my whole fucking world. Like diamonds and pearls, I could call her my gutter girl. She's my sexy girl and my sexy world.